Back pain can derive from all manner of different causes. In addition to most back pain being very difficult to deal with physically, there is also the mental stress of having to examine a wide range of reasons why you might be in pain. You do need to discover why your back hurts so you can employ the perfect course of treatment to alleviate back pain, and get on with your life. You will discover that not all back pain is the same, and there may be numerous different types, with some being much easier to treat than others, even though the pain might very well feel the same in intensity. Understanding how you might have injured your back, and your own family's medical history could reveal a tremendous amount in terms of heading on the proper track towards getting your pain under control or eliminate it altogether. A troubling family history of back pain will not automatically mean you will automatically end up with the pain, but it might very well mean that you will be more susceptible to certain problems. If a doctor inquires about back pain in your family, you need to think about any issues those in your immediate family may have suffered. When your problem is a genetic one, a program to relieve back pain might be quite similar than if you have suffered the problem due to an injury. You must be honest about your personal back history. Those that have experienced pain before will need to be forthcoming about such history. You may be a lucky one, because your pain is only coming from just your back and your hip region. You might just have a muscle strain or sprain. These can be considered extremely painful issues to deal with, and your goal to relieve back pain might come as long as you are willing to take the appropriate steps. In a great many cases, you might need to set up an appointment with a chiropractor or a doctor, and you also may be required to take medications to help alleviate your pain. You might have to take part in some exercises that can greatly strengthen your back so you will not have to continually suffer from the same problems. You will be pain-free in time if you are able to truly determine the source of your current back issue. At other times, you might have to engage in much more complicated means to relieve back pain. If you have done something that leads to major injury to the rupturing of, and the total destruction of the discs in the back, you will suffer from severe pain, and it may take an enormous amount of time to determine what is the best course for healing. Physical therapy can be employed, which might help you avoid surgery in some instances. You might have to complete a therapy program first, and if this does not lead to the desired outcome, you may then be referred for surgery. All of this will depend on the location and severity of the injury, and what your physician deems the best approach. When you are not thrilled with the type of treatment your doctor recommends to reduce back pain, you might have the option of heading out and seeking a second or third opinion. Those that are hurt at work will need to see the specific doctor the company sends you to, but you can still venture out and see your own individual doctor, too. Many company doctors might be more concerned about money than your health, so always keep this in mind when the doctor is not providing you with the care you feel you need. Your pain will not disappear on its own, so be sure to take the attitude needed to get the right attention and treatment that is required. If you suffer from back pain, it may be difficult to carry out certain activities, which could interrupt your daily life and reduce your quality of life. Fortunately, there's a gentle movement you can do right now. It targets this muscle directly to relieve your lower back pain in the next 32 seconds. No drugs, injections, or expensive therapies required. Just visit the link below the video and find out how I ended 25 years of back pain in 7 minutes, using a simple 30-second ritual.